This video tutorial is going to cover how to manage your created surveys as well as view the responses to those surveys. To start, you'll go to the left-hand side and click on Communicate, and then hover over Surveys and choose View Survey Templates. From here, you're going to see a list of all the different surveys that you have underneath where it says All Surveys. You're also going to see your recently active surveys listed at the very top of the screen. You'll have a few options for each of these surveys. First, you can choose the trash can, which will allow you to delete the survey. If you want to copy the survey, so you want to copy this and maybe make a few alterations to create a new survey, you can do that here, almost using this already created survey as a template for a future survey. If you want to edit something within the survey, you can choose the pencil button here. And if you want to view the survey responses, you're going to be able to choose the eyeball. The eyeball is going to allow you to view responses to this survey. Now, these same designations and these same tools are going to be available for these surveys right here under Access on the right-hand side as well. You'll also be able to see whether these surveys are active and whether they are published, as well as the survey name, and if you do have entries, when the last entry was submitted. And if you have any new ones, it'll show up in green here as well. You'll also be able to see how many questions were on this latest survey, as well as the amount of responses that you have. If you have a lot of surveys and you need to filter this even further, on the right-hand side, you can do that. You can just have new entries, so only show you surveys that have new entries, or entries that have been previously read before. And lastly, if you want to filter for just unpublished or published surveys, you can do that here as well. If you would like to just go straight to creating a brand new survey template, you can do that by clicking Create New Template in the top right side. If I want to see responses for a particular survey, I'm going to go over to the eyeball here and click on View Survey Response. And here's where I'm going to be able to see all the different surveys that have come in. So if you want to see and read the individual responses, you can click on those responses here and you'll be able to see those. If you wanted to show or hide different columns, what are the different columns that you're going to need to see? Would you want to see different answers for how would you rate your job satisfaction? Would you like to see the please rate on a scale of 1 to 10? All the different categories that you have on your survey, you're going to be able to show here in these different columns. Once you've configured these rows, and this is exactly how you would like the data to look, and this is the exact data that you need, you can then either print this or you can export it to a CSV for further data manipulation from there. And that was how to manage your created survey templates and how to view survey responses. As always, if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. You can email us at support@subitup.com or give us a call at 617-401-8733. Our office hours are Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks so much.